Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, prank calling Woody Millar.
I like refrigerator.
I wonder if he'll answer.
Better. This is fun.
Where's the going to house?
No.
Hello! Is your refrigerator running?
I don't know.
Should you check?
No.
Why not? What if your stuff is frozen?
What?
What if your stuff is frozen?
What if my stuff is frozen?
I mean, what if it melts? What if it's frozen now and it melts later?
Why would the milk be frozen?
I don't know. I'm asking you a question.
Why would the milk be frozen in the refrigerator?
I don't know. Maybe the refrigerator's unplugged.
Maybe it's unplugged?
Yeah, maybe it's running away.
No, it didn't.
That's a pretty big refrigerator. You might want to go catch it.
No, it'll come back.
No, refrigerators don't come back. They run away. They're like cattle. They run away. You know that Gateway commercial? They like to flock together.
No, they come back.
What? No, they never come back. You think cattle want to come back? Why would cattle come back? They're free. Refrigerators like grass.
Wait, no, it's not.
Go buy more then. I need a new one.
No. How do refrigerators poop?
I think I'm just gonna buy a new refrigerator.
You don't have money to buy a refrigerator. Refrigerator's expensive. We're in a recession. You can't buy a refrigerator. Goodbye.